Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2022 Audi RS5. This car came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches on here at all. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. This fender is perfect and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the driver's side doors. The front and back door look perfect. Let's move on to the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in excellent condition and the wheel has no curb rash. Now let's have a look at the back of the car. Okay, the trunk and the back bumper are spotless. I do not see any scratches here at all. Let's take a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect. I see no dents or scratches and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's have a look at the passenger side doors. The front and back door here are in excellent condition. I do not see any dents or scratches on them at all. Now we're going to take a look at the last fender and wheel. And this fender looks perfect. No dents, no scratches, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. And we're going to start with the driver's seat. Perfect. Let's move on to the door panel. Excellent. I'm not seeing any wear and tear on this door panel at all. Let's have a look at the back seat. Perfect. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. Front seat looks good. Let's have a look at the back seat. Perfect. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Everything here is in perfect condition. It's still brand new. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. The steering wheel is in excellent condition. So the interior of this car is in perfect condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.